Using the correct amount of detergent and fabric softener in your Amana NTW4516FW washer helps ensure your clothes come out clean, fresh, and free from residue. This top-load washer is designed with a simple dispensing system where detergent is added directly to the drum and fabric softener is placed in the agitator dispenser. When the products are added properly, the washer releases them at the right stage of the wash cycle, improving cleaning performance while preventing buildup inside the machine. Try these. Step 1. Lift the washer lid and add the recommended amount of detergent directly into the drum before loading clothes. Step 2. Place your laundry items evenly around the agitator to maintain proper balance during washing. Step 3. Locate the fabric softener dispenser on top of the agitator in the center of the drum. Step 4. Pour the measured fabric softener into the dispenser, avoiding overfilling. Step 5. Close the lid, select your wash cycle, and start the washer so the detergent and softener dispense automatically during the cycle.